Severe storms have wreaked havoc across Texas, particularly in the southern plains and Dallas-Fort Worth area, causing significant disruptions to daily life and travel plans. The last week of May has been marked by turbulent weather patterns, leading to multiple severe thunderstorm warnings and flight delays. According to Fox Weather, the Plains weather outlook for the last week of May indicated unstable atmospheric conditions, ripe for the development of severe storms. This forecast proved accurate as severe thunderstorm warnings were issued for various regions, including Dallas, on May 28. The warning, as reported by Fox 4 News, highlighted the potential for hazardous weather conditions, urging residents to stay indoors and take necessary precautions. CNN's coverage emphasized the severity of the storms, particularly in the Texas Southern Plains, where meteorologists predicted intense thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds, large hail, and even isolated tornadoes. The forecast underscored the need for vigilance and preparedness among residents and travelers in the affected areas. The impact of the severe weather extended beyond local communities, affecting air travel as well. KCRA reported that Sacramento flights to Dallas were impacted, with delays and cancellations due to the adverse weather conditions. The disruption in air travel underscored the widespread nature of the storms and their implications for regional and national transportation networks. Dallas News provided updates on the situation, detailing the issuance of severe thunderstorm warnings for the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex until early morning hours. The warnings prompted residents to stay alert and monitor weather updates closely, as the storms posed a risk to life and property. DFW Airport experienced significant weather-related delays and disruptions, according to statesmen. Flights were affected by the severe storms, leading to frustration and inconvenience for passengers. The airport authorities worked diligently to mitigate the impact of the weather on operations, but the unpredictable nature of the storms posed challenges. CBS News highlighted the continued threat of severe weather for North Texas, underscoring the need for ongoing vigilance and preparedness. As the storms persisted, residents were advised to stay informed and heed warnings from local authorities to ensure their safety. So, severe storms swept through Texas, leaving a trail of destruction and disruption in their wake. From severe thunderstorm warnings to flight delays, the impact of the weather was felt across the region. As communities grapple with the aftermath of the storms, resilience and preparedness remain key in navigating future weather-related challenges.